Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. That's the Amtrak high speed rail. It's hard to catch those guys. Hey, I was going to show you guys the switch track over here again. I was out here earlier. Really couldn't see. You see? That's where it starts at here. Pulls over, the rail pulls over here. And the train switches over to the other side. You see that electrical supply that controls this rail? We're going to go over there momentarily. And I'm going to show you guys the transformer. It's not a Lionel transformer either. I was over there before, but I didn't videotape it. I'm going to videotape it this time. Well, it's going to go down further because that's where the freight train is. The freight train comes from this way and it goes this way. It's coming from this way because, like I said, the port is right over there. The port is walking distance. I would be there in 5 minutes. But they have this ingenious architectural design over here where they have this rail prevents the people from over here from crossing over. You know, and then you have I-95 back there, you know, so, and you have the airport back there. So, you know, it's all fenced in and stuff like that. And then the port area is high security and stuff like that. So from this rail forward, it's like, you know, you can't really do too much. It's no walking. It's no sidewalks and all this other kind of stuff. But we're going to go around. See that arch? We're going to go underneath that arch. We're going to go around to that transformer over there, that structure over there that supplies all electricity to the switch tracks. It's not an old 36 old gauge track. This is the real deal Holyfield. I showed you guys the, matter of fact, this is what this video is going to be about, the switch track. See the switch track? I want you guys to get a good look at that switch track. You got to be careful over here because, you know, I'm not going to go down there because I already down this way because I just seen a guy, he's in the truck down there, you know, and I don't want to mess with him. But in any event, the switch comes this way and the train goes over this way. So they have to have one down that way that does the same thing. But anyway, the operation goes through right here. This is the type of operation that I want to put on my Lionel track at home. 4036 switches with the X in the middle. You know what I mean? That's what I want to do next, and that's basically what this situation is. You know, this is part of my layout. Like I said, I don't live too far from here. You know, I'll be home in 2 minutes. You know, it's walking distance. All of this stuff is actually part of my layout. You know, the pumpkin plant, which watches over all of this stuff while I'm not here, is part of my scenery to the layout. Look at the pumpkin over there. Say hello. Pumpkin is feels the vibration of all the trains coming through. But wait till that pumpkin grows up. I'll tell you, I got 2 other pumpkin plants over there down by Weekway Park. But it would be nice to catch this switch track switching. And I've heard this thing moving around when I'm up here, you understand, but I didn't, you know, you got to pull out the camera and stuff and really, you know, you can catch it really quickly. But this is the operation. That's the switch track. That's the switch track. I'm going to get one more train coming down here, then we're going to go over there and check out that high voltage. It's the max. This is the Northeast Corridor. You know, the trains come down here, they electrify. Oh, here comes the train. So way down there, I see the train coming up. Once we view this train, I got on red shorts. You know, these guys see me over here, and then they slow down. I don't want them slowing down. I want them to do their thing, so I'm going to hide behind the brush over this way, catch this guy's feel. You know, I feel like a fisherman going out hunting for sharks. The Amtrak train is like the sharks, man. They're fast, man. You know, you got to pull your camera out quickly and catch them, otherwise they're gone. This guy slowed down there. I said I got on red shorts. And again, this is a switch track over here. You know, they come flying across those rails. You know, even though it's a switch track there and everything, they come flying across that rail. But some reason, you know, a lot of times, you know, I just feel the vibes that they see me up here, they slow down a little bit. I think that's an Amtrak train too. Man, we're gonna get some power here, man. We're gonna get some power, man. I hope this guy beats the horn for me, man. That would be nice. I wanna beat that horn, man. Do the train talk, man. He's not gonna do it because I did the signal, man. Come on, man. They caught that Amtrak. Caught me a shark. Caught me a shark. Caught me a big shark. Look at that shark. Caught me a shark. Guy didn't want to beat the horn for me. It's okay. He's gonna beat the horn when he get down there. I've been down there. That's North Elizabeth Station right over there. He's gonna scoot right past there. But anyhow, the guy probably knows me because I be out here a lot. You know, they say, you know what? You know, I'm not gonna push this guy on by beeping the horn for him. I'm not bothering anybody. I'm getting away from everybody. I like being over here in this, you know, place here where there's nobody around. Nobody's coming up here, other than the police or the guys that work on the railroad, you know. But I just caught that shark, man, and caught that Amtrak. You know, the guy didn't beep the horn and stuff like that, but it's all right. I got another place down there that you guys wouldn't be able to see me, and we might go over there too. That's behind the park. And they do most of their horn beeping right here. That's what I'm saying. But because I hear it out of my window, they do most of their horn beeping over here. So when I get out here, I think we got another train coming out here. I can see things in the daytime real good. Behind that brush, I see a light. That may be a car or a truck or whatever the case may be. But we're ready to leave from there. We're gonna go over there and see that. I think it's a train coming here. It's a train coming here. Move out of the way, so they can do their normal routine. They could swim in on the track. You know, be trains, you know. They don't understand us train people. We know that, you know, our fascination with trains, the linguistics of it, the moving around, electricity and all that stuff, you know. When I was younger, you know, I had a couple of trains, you know, but, you know, I didn't really pay too much attention. There's a lot involved with this thing here now. You guys not coming? Yeah, that's a light down there somewhere. My mind's not playing tricks on me. But I'm gonna stop my little technique of doing this little hand gesture. I do this gesture to indicate to them to blow the horn. They don't pay me no mind. In fact, that probably gets them from stop blowing the horn. You know what I'm saying? They get them from, you know, this will tell you, this is a lonely place. Those guys that drive those trains, they come down this rail here. They don't see nobody on the rail. Nowhere near this operation. So I explained to you before how they build this rail. It's mastery and how they build this rail to keep, you know, the civilians or the citizens, you know, away from the situation. They put certain obstacles. Like right here, this is a trucking place right here, right? So the back of this stuff here, you know, they do things like that. You know, back over there, it's a factory, you know, stuff like that. So you can't get in because they got, you know, factories and all type of construction stuff going on over there. So it's very ingenious how they have this thing here situation. So you can't even get up walking. They got fences all over and all kind of stuff, which is understandable. You know, we don't want people coming up here and messing around. Well, that train is not coming down here from there. We're gonna go and check that power supply out.